Good morning, Disgruntled. How we doing? I know, I saw. Freaking ruthless, dude. I mean, I like Colapinto more than I like Duhan, but I don't think Duhan got a very fair chance. All right, so something that happened yesterday is Mason released version 2. Oh, we might be all right. Did they... Let's see here. Maybe it got fixed overnight. Mason tools update. Okay. This is actually working okay. Fucking dude, Lewis Snip drives me crazy. It never updates correctly. F1 fans love Ruthless until Ruthless happens to their favorite driver, and that's the case here. Duhan should have been allowed to actually become a driver. I agree with you. Yeah, I agree. Like I said, I don't think he was. Well, he certainly was not given a fair chance. Yeah, I mean, I think Alpine in general has been mismanaged to hell over the past 5 years. But yeah, I do feel bad for Duhan. Ignoring swap file. Why would that happen? Wait a second. Why? God damn it. My changes for my work laptop aren't pushed. Briatore is going to be a nightmare for them as well. I don't know a bunch about that situation. I don't know the guy, but I read a bunch of controversial shit on Twitter. Yeah, it sounds like they're just making mistake after mistake, and this sounds like another step in like the complete wrong direction. All right, that's pushed now. He pushed it to the stream and then it backfired. What happened? Man, that first sip of coffee hits. There we go. I don't think I updated anything in here. No. Let's see if we can grab this and throw those in here and not update the versions. Yeah. He's driving. Yeah, it's not like Duhan was like a Logan Sargent or a Nikita Mazepin, right? It's like Duhan had the record to at least he probably should have at least gotten to summer break, right? Like at the very minimum. And honestly, he should have been in the car last year when Colapinto was, even though I really like Colapinto. Jesus. Did you see Checo's latest strategy? Absolutely brilliant. Finally maximizing. What's hilarious is Checo's not even in F1 anymore. Oh, that's so funny. All right, so I switched from TSLS yesterday to VSTLS, and it seems to be a lot faster and more responsive. Wait, how's... Oh, I just didn't copy over VSTLS. I see. VT yoink. We're going to do a little %s, pass in TSLS, and we're going to throw in VTSLS. Do that. Home. Why didn't that work? Oh, I need to go up a directory to make that work. There we go. I need to get my work machine off of Nix, so I only have one config. What up, Ender? So VT or what is it? VTSLS is I was having like really bad performance problems on a repo at work with my LSP, and I asked in one of our engineering channels if anyone else using NeoVim was having lag, and someone pointed out that I should try this language server, LSP wrapper for TypeScript extension of VS Code. And wrapping this actually made a significant difference. I don't know what is different about this version of the language server compared to TSLS, but it kicked my stuff into gear. I'm excited. I've been paying attention to the LSP built with the Go version of TypeScript, and that's they have early prototypes of it. So hopefully, just another like couple months until that's ready to go, and then we can use a Go-based LSP for our TypeScript, which will be so nice. All right. Where were we? Trying to get this working. Let's see here. Back over to budget sync, quit out, and now this should hopefully load VT. Why is it still Mason.2.0? It's like not picking up. VTLS. New home config. Yeah, this should be VTS LS. Yeah, it's for TypeScript 7. But it should still work today, right? Like I can still type check a project with, like I can like type check a full repo with TSGo, right? And there's a couple odds and end things that don't completely work, but the general use case, I mean, they can type check the entire VS Code code base with TSGo. Like it's basically there. There we go. BTSLS. So now if I go over here and we vim back in, this should load. All right, we want to, why did it, LSP info. So we can do like Mason uninstall TS. Yeah. There we go. BTSLS. Yeah, I could, yeah. I'd have to build it myself, but that would work, Kraut. All right. So where were we yesterday? We were leaving off in updating. Yeah, we got the updated expense entity. Don't you know? Yeah, there's something to sing about. Whatever, this is fine. We'll say this is going to be message, which will be schema.optional schema.string. Not necessary at all, but so after we updated expense entity, once that's updated, we need to diff it, right? How do we want to do this? We could do a I guess we can make a schema and then we could rely on the effect equality checks, because effect, if you use a schema, you almost get like, if you're familiar with Java, Java has like the hash code that does equality. Effect.website/docs. Wouldn't that be so much better than what you use right now? Yeah, one of my weekend projects at some point, Kraut, and maybe I'll do this on stream, is the tsc.mvim that I maintain that's relatively popular. I'm going to port this to use Go, or optionally use Go. In fact, this probably can use Go. But then this will type check using Go. But once the LSP is ready, let me see if I can find the thread. TypeScript Go. I don't remember where I was seeing this. Issues, LSP. Yeah, see, they're actively working on the LSP right now. It's just not there yet. Running the LSP prototype. This is what my new of him does. That's called what the hell is that called? It's like positional arguments, right? It's so if I do like db.splitwise, and then I do like this right here, right? Control, okay, do I not get any help, right? Is that not a function? Oh, that's not a function. Ha! If I do here, like this kind of documentation, it's, God, that came out in, hold on. It just came out, there was native support for it. Features described here. I thought. Signature help? I think that's what it's called. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's called signature help. LSP support it. It's part of the LSP protocol, so like they should have access to the information. It's not like something special that NeoVim does. I don't keep it on as I type. I press Control K to get the docs open. Yeah, signature help. Right, I was going to talk about the effect equality stuff. Data types equal traits. Okay, so let's go ahead and how do we want to do this? Yeah, same. Disgruntled. We'll probably get into it when we get into building the DNS module in a week or two. All right, is this what I want to use? Because I think schemas get it. Like if I do const, I don't know, we'll call this S, and it's going to be a schema dot struct, and we'll just say this has foo schema dot string, right? I think if we have a declare, this isn't gonna let me do this, I don't think. Once X is a type of S dot type. Yeah, this is gonna annoying. I'm pretty sure schemas just let you use. I have the docs up. I should just check this. Equivalence. Generate an equivalence function based on the schema.